Hi Stampers, it's Elizabeth from StampScrapandMore.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada. And if you joined me today on the Facebook Live, I hope you enjoyed the card that we made. If it's over on Facebook, but it's also been uploaded to YouTube. So if you want to see this shaker card using Snowman Magic, I'll put a card in the end of this video so that you can go over to the and check out the video on how to make the card. But the real reason why I'm here is because Paper Pumpkin arrived today. So the kit this month is called Sending Good Thoughts, and let's get into it. And I'm going to share with you all that's in this month's Paper Pumpkin. But while I'm there, let me just go overhead. If you were ever thinking of joining Paper Pumpkin or subscribing to Paper Pumpkin, during Celebration is the best time because with every subscription, you get a $60 item from Celebration, so for free. So for a 3-month subscription, it's $90. 6 months is $171, and 12 months is $325. And for every $60 spent, you can pick an item from Celebration for free. So some really cute items in Celebration, but I will tell you that they're while supplies last, and currently something is already sold out, which are the Pool Party and Soft Seafoam card bases. They're already sold out, or not even sold out because they were for free, but they're already gone. So while supplies last. So my go-to or must-haves are this Hippest Hippos. Love this set, and I've got a video tutorial coming up using this set. So it's one of my favorites from the Celebration. Okay, so let's get started with Paper Pumpkin. As I mentioned, it's Sending Good Thoughts, and the ink spot is Bermuda Bay. The stamp set is, I'm looking for something that I can put behind it. I don't know if this is going to help. We've got a ship. We've got a fishing net, a seahorse. I'm going to call this seaweed for lack of, because I don't know what else to call it. Stars. And this looks like a scroll. And the sentiments are, can't wait to see you, thinking of you, wishing you all the best, and sending good thoughts. So that is the stamp set that comes with the Paper Pumpkin for this month. And here, get your free goodies during Celebration, and it's just kind of reiterating what I said just a few minutes ago, was that it's that time again when you can choose a free Celebration product with every $60 or $120 you spend before shipping and taxes. So some of the Celebration items are $60 value and some are $120. So this is the best time to actually subscribe to Celebration. And then Sweet Sunflowers Paper Pumpkin Kit, free gift for subscribers. Get ready for softly serene watercolor flowers in a sophisticated and stylish color palette with the Sweet Sunflowers Paper Pumpkin Kit. This kit is filled with special techniques, printed die-cut pieces, fun embellishments, and 2 classic Stampin' ink spots. You'll not want to miss out on this creative masterpiece. This will be August's kit. So it's called Sweet Sunflowers. I like the box too. Alrighty then, and let's get, ooh, I love the color combination. Oh, lordy be. I love the color combination. So these are the cards. So there's 9 cards. Oh, message in a bottle. That's what that stamp was. Sending good thoughts and wishing you all the best. Look at the colors. Woohoo! I know what makes me happy. Oops. I'm scissor challenged. You know, what time is it? It's 8:45 on Friday night. And I've told this before, I love getting up before the sunrise and crafting before I ever watch the sun come up. It's a really weird thing that I that I love doing, and especially when I know I don't have to go to work and I can just stay and continue being creative. But the only problem with that is come 9 o'clock, I'm ready to go to bed. So I think this morning I was up at 5. Last Saturday I was up at 4:30 and I was sitting in my craft room and I was just loving it. Anyhow, I'm a little odd like that. So I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 envelopes. There we go. Oh, you know, I should tell you what the color collection is. So it contains supplies for 9 cards and 9 envelopes. Coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors are Balmy Blue, Basic Gray, Bermuda Bay, Fresh Freesia, Pacific Point, and Poppy Parade. There's do more with this month's kit. So we've got 9. These will be Balmy Blue. And we've got my all-time favorite linen thread, and we've got the glue dots. We've got a package of dimensionals. Okay. We've got 3 card bases that are Bermuda Bay. We have 3 card bases that are Fresh Freesia. And 3 card bases that are Basic Gray. Basic Gray is not a color that they usually do card bases in. I'm surprised at that. Oh, I really love the texture on this. So it'd be nice if you could feel this. This is embossed. It's raised. There's 3 sheets of that. You can see from the back how it's embossed. Oh, they're all embossed. Oh, I like this one. 3 sheets of this. See the clouds? Nice. And you can see the embossing from the back. So we've got clouds and we've got like wave here. Sometimes I wish Stampin' Up! Would come with a set of card base, layer pieces like this in the annual catalog that have this already embossed, or an embossing folder that looked like that. But I think having these pre-done would be really neat. And this is Fresh Freesia again. Yep, Fresh Freesia waves. I guess it'd be like that way. And we have 3 sheets of these stickers. So we've got a big banner flag. We've got 3 bottles. And we've got this tag, and there's a hole there at the end. So you would, I would guess, stamp and hang the sentiment off the bottle. Yep, right there, like right there. And we have a sheet of these, and there's 4 of these banner flags and 4 of these. Oh, and another one of the tags that you would hang from the bottle with a little hole there. And we've got, 3 sheets of these die cuts. Oh, coral, that's what that is. Coral, right here. That's coral, I think. And we've got some seagulls, another seagull, a starfish, a seahorse, and this is really delicate, but so pretty. Hold on, let me just pop that out. And there's 3 sheets of this as well. You have to be very gentle when you take this out so that you don't rip any of the leaves or the pieces. There we go. Isn't that pretty? Really nice detail. And so there's 3 of these, 3 of these, 3 of these, these, and this. You know, if you wanted to, you could even lay this down on a card if you wanted to repeat it. And using a sponge dauber, you could daub this in and have a bit of a background on a card. that would be really pretty. And I'll give you one more chance to take a look at the sending good thoughts. So sending thoughts like it's a ship in a bottle and wishing you all the best. And here is can't wait to see you. And that wasn't a scroll. Well, I guess it was a scroll. It was a message in a bottle. That's this month's paper pumpkin kit. Short but sweet because you know I'm going to get ready for bed. Have a good one. Happy stamping. And who knows, maybe we'll talk to you again. I talk to you again this weekend. I've got 3 more tutorials in the hopper ready to do. So who knows, maybe I'll do another live. Have a good one. Happy stamping. And we'll talk to you again soon.